Alright, let's play a little guessing game. If I told you there's a platform where you can invest in a curated portfolio of stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, and it's designed to be super user-friendly, what do you think the average person keeps in their account? Thousands? Tens of thousands? Maybe even more? We're talking about Spaceship, a popular investment platform that's been making waves, especially among younger investors. Now, before we dive into the numbers, let's be real. Average balance is a tricky thing. It's like trying to guess the average temperature of the ocean. It depends on where you look and when. But it's a question a lot of people have, especially if you're thinking about joining the Spaceship community. Why does it matter? Well, it gives you a benchmark. It helps you understand where you might fit in and whether your investment goals align with others on the platform. Are you starting small, or are you ready to jump in with a significant amount? Knowing the average can provide some perspective. Let's break down why this is a bit of a moving target. Spaceship caters to a wide range of investors. Some are just starting out, putting in small, regular contributions to build their wealth over time. Others are more experienced, transferring larger sums from existing portfolios. And then there are the folks somewhere in between, consistently adding to their accounts as they gain confidence. So, what factors influence these balances? First, the age of the account. Someone who's been investing with Spaceship for years will naturally have a higher balance than someone who just signed up last week. Second, the investment strategy. Are they focusing on aggressive growth, or are they playing it safe with more conservative options? Third, the individual's financial situation. Someone with a high income will likely be able to contribute more than someone on a tight budget. Now, while Spaceship doesn't publicly disclose the exact average balance, we can look at some indicators. We know that Spaceship is popular with millennials and Gen Z, groups often associated with starting their investment journeys. This suggests a significant portion of users are likely building their portfolios gradually. We also know that Spaceship encourages regular, small contributions. Their features like Auto Invest and Roundups make it easy to invest consistently, even with small amounts. This approach tends to lead to steady growth over time, rather than large, sudden increases. Furthermore, Spaceship's accessible interface and educational resources are designed to attract first-time investors. This suggests a demographic that might be starting with smaller balances, learning the ropes, and growing their investments over time. Instead of focusing on a specific number, it's more helpful to think about the range of balances. You'll find everything from those who have just a few $100s to those with tens of thousands, or even more. The key takeaway is that Spaceship is designed to accommodate investors at all stages of their journey. Ultimately, the most important thing is not where you stand relative to the average, but where you stand relative to your own financial goals. Are you consistently contributing? Are you diversifying your portfolio? Are you staying informed about your investments? These are the questions that will truly determine your success. So, don't get hung up on the average. Focus on your own journey, your own goals, and your own progress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.